Try it out.
He dropped his ball. Okay.
Where'd the ball go?
In front of the chair.
There's that. All right.
Here we go.
Okay. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt.
First cut. Why is he smiling?
Oh, maybe you like the way it feels.
Maybe. He does like it. Yay!
Cool. What's my t-shirt?
Do you normally cut hair right-handed?
No.
What are you doing?
Am I supposed to save this?
Yes, put that down.
Put it where?
Well, just on the counter.
Alright. You're gonna look good, buddy.
Oh, he loves it.
You're gonna look so good.
Cool. You're the first baby ever to love this.
Yeah.
Zip. Yeah, he loves it. Zip.
No, boy. Can't get enough.
Zip. Haha.
Alright, buddy. Can you hold still? Can you hold still? Can you hold still, huh?
Oh gosh, what happened there?
That tickle? What kind of bad is cutting it? Hold it. Kind of a snarl back here.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yay!
You alright, bud? You're gonna hurt yourself if you turn your head like that.
Yeah!
I don't want to give you any new bald spots.
Tickles, yeah.
You're on your own, don't you?
That tickles.
Oh. Sorry, I
It's
caught
okay.
your hair. He tried to pull away.
Okay.
We'll get that chopped off too. Get all these extra hairs that you don't want chopped off. Sorry, buddy.
Belly, belly, belly.
That hurt.
You're okay.
Now it's not so fun, huh? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, are you okay? Let's take a break. Let's take a break. You okay?